some buzz, some boom boom. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Clifford, and if you're a new subscriber, good to see you guys. Thanks for clicking on my video. If you're a former subscriber, I love you guys. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a really quick video. This is like a quick get up, hurry up, do your makeup and out of the house kind of thing. You can do this in maximum 20 minutes if you're fast enough. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. I'm going to be doing a voiceover on this video because I want it to be as short and as simple and as straight to the point as possible. So stay tuned guys, and let's just go straight into it.
I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer in Fawn and Chestnut to conceal my brows. Then I'm going to blend everything into my brows and my eyelid as well, using my Sacha buttercup setting powder just to set my eyelid actually. Then I'm actually going to go in with my 3-in-1 contour kit, and I'm going to be using the lighter brown to give my eye a bit of brown feeling. Then I'm just going to use my Blossom BB Baby Skin Foundation with my beauty blender just to blend everything into my face, something light. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder to give my face a bit of highlight. Then I'm just going to blend again with my Sacha buttercup to set my eyes and my whole face, basically the places I need to highlight, and that is it. Then I'm going to go in with my contour kit, the 3-in-1. I use the darkest brown, and I'm just going to contour every part of my face that needs contouring. As you can see, I already have a chubby cheek, so I need it to look a bit slim. And I'm going to go back in with my MAC powder and use that as my eyeshadow, just to give it a very mild and nude feeling instead of using proper eyeshadow. Then I go in with my darker shade of powder just to blend the edge of my contour. I'm going to keep blending my whole face. There's nothing like too much blending. I'm still going to use my MAC Studio Fix to highlight my skin. Then I'm going to go in my kajal in black just to give my face a very smoky look. And I'm also going to go in with my contour kit again. Then I'm going to use my BMPro blush just to give my face a little bit of strawberry look. So that when I smile, you can see my blush. And I'm going to go in with my Davies lip pencil in brown, color 3 actually, just to line my lips actually. I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty in nude just to give it a bit of brownish feeling. I want it to be all nude. Then I'm going to go in with my lip pencil again, and then my Absolute lip gloss. I'm always blushed up guys, that's the way. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my mascara from Coil Power. This is just going to help me lengthen my lashes instead of using fake lashes. It's just going to help me stretch them out, and I'm going to do the same thing for my bottom lashes as well to give it a bit of bold feeling. And then I'm done with my makeup guys. 20 minutes, that's it. Ooh, edges on flick. They don't know. Baby girl for life. Oh, come on now, give them.
You're looking at cute. So guys, this is my finished look. This is my everyday look. Like, I am so used to this type of makeup, but usually I do lashes, but today I decided not to do lashes and just use my natural lashes, which is my natural lashes. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share. This is the fastest look to take out for me. It's a 20 minutes look for me. Yes, so I just laid my edges because I'm carrying Kiko. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Lagos loves you. See you guys later.